guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Atinuke. If you're new, you're welcome. Please click the subscribe button and give this video a very big thumbs up. So today I want to show you how to remove watermark from Kinemaster very easily. This steps is very simple. So I come to my Kinemaster app and I click on it. So I'm going to create a new one. This aspect ratio, this 16:9 is the one for YouTube. So I'm going to click on it very quick. And okay, so now I've clicked on it. I'm going to click on this one real quick. Yeah. Then I come here and I take it back. Then I remove it. Okay, so this is the video, and then I go back. I'm going to go back now because I want to remove the watermark while editing. You can wait till you finish editing before you remove the watermark, but I want to remove mine while editing. So I duplicate the project. Then I click on this one, 2:35:1, the last one. I click on it and then I go next. Now you see copy is here. This one is just one, then this one is copy. So I click on it and yeah, can you guys see it? So now the reason why I like to edit it like this, I like to edit my videos on this ratio, is that if I want to put my watermark or subscribe button here, I can just easily come here, then put it here. Yes, then I put it here. You guys just look at that. So if I want to edit, I'll do whatever editing it is I want to do on it. Then I can edit it. I can, do whatever it is I want to do. So if I want to put my subscribe button, I bring it here. My subscribe button is in my green screen. So I come here. This is my green screen. Then I go here, the chroma key, yes, enabled. Then I bring it here. How I edit my YouTube video easily, you guys, easily. Just look at that. Okay, you can't go more than that. So that's it, sham. Then I export the video. I skip this one because premium, there's no money for premium. So I just let it, I let it save. Okay, so it's done saving now. So I go like this. I go here just to be sure it's saved. I go to my gallery and then I check it. Kinemaster. This is it. This is going to show. This is what you're going to see. So that I can increase it, I come to my InShot. Like almost everybody has InShot on their phone. You guys, InShot is big. InShot is big. So I come to my videos, I add new, and I come here. I click on this green button here, and then I'm good. It's going to show you something like this. Nothing to worry about. I click on this InShot watermark showing here, then I remove it and say free remove. I remove it. That's all. I'm done removing InShot watermark. Then I click on canvas. I don't know. I click on this first one here, canvas. I come in. This YouTube logo is what I'm going to click on, and then this line, I zoom it all in, and I'm good. So
that's the only one I know that I was actually working on.
That's it. I save. It just saves like really fast. So I save and that's all. Once it is saved, my video is ready. It's saved, so I come here and then I go back to my gallery, InShot, all this InShot, then my video is ready. My video is totally ready. Yeah, so that is it. Please don't leave here without leaving a comment and without subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Guys, please don't mind my voice. I have a cough. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. I'm going to see you in my next video. And until then, please stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.